Hello, my friends. This is Leet from Nature Taught, helping you bring nature to your child using Montessori methods. In this video, I'd like to talk to you about introducing table wiping to your young child, the first step of the child helping themselves and helping you in the home to clean up. Please check out my other videos giving you Montessori tips to help you and your child have success with the lessons. I just wanted to look at the materials you'll need for table wiping. And I have a tray with a small dish that carries a small sponge. I've just cut this from a larger sponge. On the tray, you'll have a drying mitt for the child, for the very young child. You might have, for an older child, you might just have a washcloth that is rolled up. And then also I'll have a tray or a box, drawers for additional drying mitts for your child. Many of the lessons are color-coded. They're matching colors, and this helps the child associate the materials with each lesson. The points of interest for table wiping are the water on the sponge, but also the movements of the hands on the table with the sponge, the left to right movement, followed by the downward movement, and in the drying of the table, the slow, small circles at the edges with the fast, larger circles in the middle. So let's begin the lesson and invite the child. May I give you a lesson in table wiping? First, we need to move our stools so that we have a place for our tray. Let's go and look at the table. Let's move this stool. We'll put it right here. Now we're ready to go find our materials and bring them back. These are the materials for the table wiping. We carry it like this. Would you like to carry them over to the stool? Your child could carry them over. So we're going to put them on the stool. Put them right here. Now we need to go get the sponge wet. We'll carry it like this. Your child could carry it. We're going to go to the water source. You can put it right here. Now I'm going to have a turn first, and then you can have a turn. This is a sponge and a dish. Watch. See that? Would you like a turn? Give your child a turn. You're going to want to squeeze it. Would you like to squeeze it? All right, let's put it on the dish. Would you like to carry the dish to the tray? Your child could carry the dish to the tray. I'm going to have a turn, and then you can have a turn. Watch. Would you like a turn? Your child could have a turn. One of the things I love about Montessori's work is that their skills build upon each other. So this is in preparation for reading and writing. You always want to move from left to right and then down. Is the table wet or dry? It's wet, isn't it? We need a drying mitt. I'm going to have a turn first, and then you can have a turn, okay? This is our drying mitt. Watch. Is this mitten wet or is it dry? The child could feel it. It's wet, isn't it? We need a dry mitten. You're going to want to have a system for your wet cloths, either a little place where they can hang them, a little hook, or perhaps a laundry basket that goes and gets washed. Come with me. I'll show you where we'll put it. I'm going to put it right there. That can dry. Let me show you where the clean cloths are, and then you can get one for yourself. These are the clean cloths. Would you like to choose one and take it with you? So your child could have a turn to finish drying the table, and you could show them where to put things away when they're done. So when cleaning up, just make sure that your child puts away the wet cloths if they're wet. If your child says they're dry, then you can just put it back and leave it on the tray, and then it's ready for the next time they use it. This is how we carry the tray back to the shelf. Your child could take it back to the shelf. We need to put our stool away. Let's go put our stool away. There, you've had a lesson in table wiping. Anytime you think the table needs cleaning, you can clean the table now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gives you little ideas for your young one.